Now, I know to some of my viewers this might look Japanese, when in fact it's German, West German to be precise. It's back from a time when that still mattered. But look at it, it's all exposed and naked. We can't have that. This is a family show. And it's especially not useful when we bring in this guy.
Rather impressive.
He's Chinese, by the way. So what I need in this case is a set of CNC way covers. I have some on this machine, but they're a little bit worse for wear. Now, I could buy those online, but lead times are long, I'm impatient, and I'm cheap. So I'll try and make some. So there are two reasons I chose those laminating pouches. One, I'm cheap. Second, pliability. And also, there's still glue on it, so we can weld them together and make a bigger section. Clever, huh? I'm using 0.5mm elastic twine to feed through the plates.
Hentai-san desu ne.